Today we are making baked crispy lemon pepper chicken wings. For more simple recipes coming on the channel every Friday, make sure you subscribe. We begin this recipe by gently cleaning the chicken wings. Most of the times, no matter from where you buy them, you'll still find some tiny feathers on them. And obviously, because we are using them with the skin on, try to keep them as clean as possible, without being in touch with any ready-to-eat ingredients, due to cross-contamination. Using a sharp paring knife, make a few incisions into the wings. These will help enhance the flavors from the seasoning. Plus, the wings will just crisp up better. Now talking about seasoning, we're gonna start easy with some salt. A quarter of tablespoon will definitely do. After that, we're gonna follow with half tablespoon of baking powder. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but trust me, it really works and it's gonna get you the best crispy wings ever. Now go ahead with a quarter of tablespoon of garlic powder and of course some smoked paprika. And in a weird way, we left the black pepper at the end. You probably need about half teaspoon of that. Always freshly grounded. It really makes the difference. Get your hands into the bowl, making sure that the seasoning gets properly incorporated into the wings. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius or about 400 Fahrenheit. Another part of the process, if you want to have nice crispy wings, is to cook them on a cooking rack. Comparing to simply cooking them in a tray, this gets much better results. Slightly healthier too, because most of the fat from the wings will drip into the tray. Our wings go into the preheated oven. And we're gonna cook them for 20 minutes. That's the first half of cooking. After 20 minutes, get them out and turn them over. They start getting a nice golden brown color, but they need another 20 minutes till they're ready. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare a nice easy glaze to cover the crispy wings. On a pan set on medium heat, add about 20 grams of butter. And we're gonna be turning this butter into a beurre noisette. Commonly known as brown butter, this brings a rich nutty aroma to a sauce like this. Just cook the butter slowly until it gets golden brown in color and you'll see the difference. After that, turn the heat to low and get some lemon zest in there. The juice from a quarter of a lemon will definitely do. This will work in perfect balance with the fatty butter. When it comes to the hot sauce, just use your favorite brand. But just bear in mind that these are no buffalo wings, so we're not gonna go that crazy. I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons, so I can still feel some of that pepper and lemon flavor. Optionally, you can add a few leaves of fresh thyme, but if you don't have any, don't worry. After that, go with a quarter of teaspoon of freshly grounded black pepper and make sure you mix everything together until well combined. 20 minutes later, with the wings nice and crispy, transfer them to the bowl. Follow with the sauce and some chopped chives. Mix everything together until the wings are well coated in that sauce and serve immediately. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me in this cooking journey. And I'll see you next Friday with a new video recipe.